to a brand new episode of Mastering Pro Gaming. In today's episode, we're doing something completely unrelated to pro gaming or tutorials or education, and that is we're actually going to be surprising and then unboxing with my girlfriend our engagement decorations and products. So we have 4 items that we're going to be going over today. We have our backdrops for our engagement. We've got some flowers, some roses for the decorations of our engagement. And the best thing about this is that she has no idea that this stuff has arrived. We've been waiting for almost a month now, and I actually had no idea that it's coming today as well, and I got really happy, so I thought I'll make a whole video surprising her. She'll be walking in from that door, she will have no idea, and we'll get her reaction. And then we're actually gonna be unboxing this with you guys and actually seeing if it's what we ordered or not. So it takes about like a month to actually get this stuff here to Australia, so if it's wrong, we're kind of screwed, but hopefully it's correct and it's the right stuff that we asked for. And yeah, it will be a cool video. So in any moment now she'll be walking in, and I'll make sure I record her reaction with the unboxing. Thanks so much, and make sure you continue watching to actually see the full video with the products and where we got them from. Alright, so Monica just said that she's outside, so I'm gonna blindfold her, and then I'm gonna make her into here, and then I'm gonna unfold her in front of you, and we'll see her reaction and what she thinks. We'll see you guys in a second. Alright, I'm gonna come get you. Promise?
Yeah, I can't see.
Alright, come.
I'm scared.
Don't worry. Alright, give me your phone.
Can I open my eyes?
And...
Oh, I'm so
Are you happy? Are you happy? I got surprised today as well, so I thought I would surprise you. And you're on my YouTube channel, so we're gonna make a video out of you being recorded.
Oh my god.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah? We've got everything.
Oh,
I haven't
that's
opened
so
anything. We're gonna open up together,
I'm gonna cry.
and we're gonna see if we like it or not. And yeah, just a funny story for Monica and for you guys. So it's the first time on our channel. Today it said delivered on Alibaba, and it didn't come, and that didn't say it came. So I thought they were trying to like scam us. So I messaged the lady back, and I was like, if I don't, like, if it's not here, I go home, I'm gonna do this. And I called Dad, and I was like, did anything come? He was like, no. So I thought they actually trying to scam us by saying it arrived, and it didn't.
So he was tricking you as
No,
well?
he didn't know.
Oh! Oh my god.
So I got really angry. Anyways, I came home, and all of it is here. So we're gonna unbox it together.
Oh my gosh. That's so fun.
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
Which box do you want to start with?
This. Are these
Alright.
the flowers, I think?
I have no idea what anything is. We're gonna start with this. Hold on. Let me just make sure we are actually recording. Alright.
Oh my god, I fully cried.
So you wanna start with the big box?
Yeah.
Take this
Do
one
we have a knot like that?
down.
Yeah, I think we do.
We got one here. Take that moving.
I'm so happy.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got my cool knife for this. And we can just... I was happy you got surprised.
Oh yeah, I didn't
You were
know.
getting moody.
I was getting annoyed.
Yes.
Because you left me outside for like 10 minutes.
I knew you were getting angry. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Alright. Why are you so excited?
I just want to see what's inside. I want to like sit on top of the bench.
Go if you want. You can. Alright. These are the flowers. Alright. So, goes like that. So we've got the flowers for the engagement. Are these the colours that you wanted?
Yes.
Alright, then lock the camera. Alright. So you want to start taking them out, or what
Yeah,
do
no.
you do?
these are
They're in here?
No.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. That's pretty cute. So first set of flowers, we've got it here. Oh, this is what you wanted?
Yeah.
It's okay, you can react naturally if it's not.
Yeah, I just need to see it properly. How many did we get? I can't
I
remember.
don't know, but there's a lot.
It was one big one and two small ones, I think.
Second sort of flowers.
Can I go from the other side?
You can go from anywhere as long as you don't knock the camera down.
Yeah, they look nice.
Wow, they look
They
beautiful.
do look
We're gonna show you guys at the end how everything looks
They
together.
actually do look very nice.
Yeah, they look beautiful. And
That's
this
the
is
big
whoa, that's huge.
Yeah, that's a big.
So last massive one. So oh,
Yeah.
photos. So we got two sets of small ones, and then a massive one that will go around, and we'll just put it like this. So we've got this one. All right, you organize it.
So it's like the big one,
Yeah.
and then the small ones.
So we've got one big one over here, and then
It looks like a flower basket. Oh,
know.
and they gave us
and we've got these two small ones, and
They gave us these so we can attach it.
what is this?
My brain can't.
Alright, but it's useful for some reason, so we're gonna.
No, it basically is the thing that winds, like you put it around and it locks it into position for the frame.
Alright. Alright, so this is the flowers. No, I do. I'm just
So this is, I think this is like 1 meter,
yeah. Yeah.
and these are.
Yeah, show
half.
people what you're using.
So I think 2 of the small ones make
Yeah.
up the big one, as you can
Okay.
see.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
So 3 flowers overall.
Yeah,
Are you ready
2.
for our next box?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start with our next box. Alright, we've got our second box.
Yep.
Monica's done that picture, just like she picked the first one, and we'll get started. We'll see what's in here.
Alright.
We can open it from here, or out from there. And you like it?
Yeah, I'm so happy.
She loved the flowers, so hopefully everything else she likes as well.
Okay, so I think this is the small arch.
Yeah, I think it is as well.
It's the smallest box.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. Very nicely packaged. Thank
It
you,
is.
Alibaba.
She's getting the YouTube.
Ow! No, my finger.
Wait. We can just unpack it. It's not actually sticker tape though.
Oh, okay. So we actually bought 2
Two.
frames. One
We're only
is
gonna use one.
no, but
Oh, we're using both.
yeah.
We're going to be using both.
So just one smaller than the other. One's 2 meters and the other one's 1.8.
If you say it loud, say it loud.
2 meters and 1.8. I think
Okay.
this is 1.8.
Yeah.
I think.
And then how are we gonna change the color of it?
I'm not changing it.
No, it's not gonna be framed like it's. We're gonna have.
Oh yeah, one of them, the smaller one, we're putting like a cover on top that's
Yes.
white.
So usually people either get them in wood, and it will be a white color of wood, or a black one, or a gold one, and then they would have different woods, like different arcs that they can use. But we thought it might be smarter if we get an empty one, and then we get a sleeve and we put it on top, so we can use the exact same one, but to get yellow, black, white, any color that we want. We just have the canvas, we'll put it on top, and it can take any color that we want, but it'll be the same shape, which is just much more efficient than having multiple different ones.
colors, even for storage.
Even
Purposes.
for storage.
Yeah.
So this is that one. I think it looks really good.
It
actually.
looks stunning.
And my dad's actually here as well. He's having a look. What do you think? Good.
Out of 10.
Finish it.
Yeah, agreed.
I got scared when he
Good finish. It's excellent finish.
Yeah.
it's really good. So I'm not
Yeah.
sure if the camera's focusing on it or not, but it's actually very nice.
Nice and shiny.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It looks very strong as well. So we can put that over here. And then we can.
And it looks easy to assemble.
It looks very, yeah, it doesn't look like it requires anything really.
Yeah.
So this is the small one, and the big one is just the same, so we're not going to really unbox that. It's like exactly
A
the same.
bigger version.
Yep.
And I think we're going to be covering the smaller one.
You're
Yeah.
the big.
We're keeping the big one as gold and the small one with the white
With the
cover
white
on
cover.
top.
So this is the second part of it. And so it's made out of what? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, and then these
Five.
are the stands at the bottom.
Alright. So while we're doing this, my dad's going to assemble it at the same time,
Efficiency.
so that by the time we finish unwrapping this, we can have exactly how it's going to look like. Honestly, up until like an hour ago, I did not think that this stuff is coming. I was so scared to tell her, but
I had faith.
I didn't.
Alright, so I'm doing the bottom part, the base.
Alright. Okay.
That's the bottom part of the base.
Let's just clean up real quick.
You're the one that wants to clean up.
Yeah. For the video.
That's the second part of the base. And these are some bolts.
Yeah. I still don't understand how it gets. Alright. And that is the final part, I think. What's
You want it in it?
Yeah.
One more. So it seems like it's very easy to put
It
together.
is, I think that already finished it actually.
Not good.
What is he stuck on?
I was just waiting for this one. And then there's the base.
Alright, and that's the final part. So that's assembling it right now actually as we speak. And I'll turn around and I'll show you how that looks like right now. What do you think so far?
Yeah, it looks.
Alright, explain to us what happened.
Alright, so here is our final product, the 1.8 meter gold arch. So the idea is to have this as the gold arch and the bigger one behind it. I think we're going to be covering this one in the white. And the vision is to have the flowers hanging. So probably one over here, and then the bigger one on like the top end of the arch. So it'll look something like this.
Yeah, okay.
And then we'll have this in white, and then the gold bigger one behind it.
Perfect. Are you happy with everything that we bought?
Yes.
Did you think they were gonna arrive?
No.
Okay, are you happy now? You're confident?
I am very happy now.
Alright, so this was the first video in the engagement videos or playlist. We're gonna be making another video at the very end actually showing how it went and what we can do next with all this stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like and leave a comment so she can be happy. It's her first time in one of my videos. It's also the first time both of them are actually in a video with me. So yeah, thanks so much for watching.